you've got to be confident in the fact that they are a perfect fit. Because they're not going to buy it if you're not, and they're not going to feel confident if you're not. And if they're not confident in your product, why would they buy it? Hey guys, Spencer Williams here, and we're back with a lesson in sales mastery. And what we're going over here today is confidence in sales. Why you need confidence, what is confidence, why is it important to have when it comes to sales, or, commonly known in sales as well as certainty. Confidence and certainty is what this video is going to be on. So guys, I pulled up some definitions here on my laptop. So let's get clear on what confidence is. That's the first place that you want to go to when you're trying to learn about something, is what is the actual definition of this word? What's the origin? Where did it come from? So confidence here is the feeling or belief that one can rely on someone or something. It's firm trust. And that's very important. Trust is the most important aspect of sales. Number two, second definition, is the state of feeling certain about the truth of something. So again, guys, just off of the definition, you can see how important this is for sales. Guys, if someone doesn't feel like they can rely on you or have firm trust in you, why would they buy from you? Guys, if somebody isn't feeling certain about the truth of the things that you're saying and claiming, they're not going to buy from you. Confidence is extremely important so you can transfer the right feeling to your prospect at the right time so they can make the right decision. And confidence in sales, it's two-sided. There's two sides to confidence when it comes to sales. Number one is you got to do it for you. And number two, most importantly, is you got to do it for your prospect. So guys, confidence for you is you have to be confident in your abilities, in yourself, in your product that you're selling. If you are not sold on your product before you go and sell it, you're going to have a very hard time selling it. If you're not 100% certain that you are the best in the industry, that you're working with the best in the industry, that you're selling the best product in the industry, and that your company is the most qualified company, the best company to be representing that product and service, you're not going to be able to transfer confidence. You have to be sold on your product, on yourself, and on your company before you can sell someone else on it. You need to be able to transfer the feeling of confidence and certainty so you can get your prospects' trust, because they're not going to buy anything off you if they don't trust you. So again, guys, you need confidence for you as well. So during the worst of times, during the bad months in sales, because sales is cyclical. Some months you're going to do great, other months you might not do as well. So again, guys, you need confidence in you and your own abilities so that during the bad times you keep going. Because when you're not confident in you and your abilities, when things start to go bad, you might end up quitting. If you are confident, you understand the market's cyclical, that you're going to be able to come back up, and that if you just put in a little bit of extra work, if you push a little bit harder, you are going to be able to go and get yourself to where you want to go. So again, guys, confidence is important for you so that you're coming into the call ready to go. So you're coming in the call already assuming that you're going to close, and so that you're 100% sold on yourself, your product, and your company. Now again, guys, there is a definition for self-confidence I want to share with you. It's a feeling of self-assurance arising from one's appreciation of one's own abilities or qualities. Guys, again, if you don't have personal confidence going into the sale, your prospect won't have confidence in you. It's very, very important for you guys to have confidence going into your sale if you want to be able to make that sale. Nobody's going to buy from you if you're not confident first. So that's the second reason that leads us into the second here, is the second reason you have confidence. The more important reason why you need confidence when you're selling is for your prospect. You need to be able to transfer the right feelings of trust and of certainty so that they can take action on your offer without having to deal with a million of their fears, or without them taking the decision of being fearful and not buying it, even if they really, really need it. So again, guys, once you figure out somebody is truly a perfect fit for your company and for your product, and that they need the help that you're giving, you've got to be confident in the fact that they are a perfect fit. Because they're not going to buy it if you're not, and they're not going to feel confident if you're not. And if they're not confident in your product, why would they buy it? They're going to go to somebody who can give them that feeling of confidence that they need to make a buying decision. Guys, it is a need for your prospect. They need to feel confident. It is your responsibility as a salesperson to become a master of self-confidence and of the ability to transfer confidence from you to your prospect if you want to be able to make sales. Guys, they're trusting you with a big decision buying off you. They don't know you. They never worked with your company before. They never bought a product or service. You are going to have to become a master at that confidence if you want people to work with you, if you want people to trust you and to take risks with you. And if you don't become a master of confidence, then guys, don't expect people to buy from you. Don't expect them to take risks with you. You need to become confident in your own abilities for you, so you keep going and so you can transfer that to your prospects so they can come with you. So again, guys, confidence is double-sided, and clarity gives you confidence. That's why you start with the definitions here. Clarity gives you confidence. Clarity for your prospects gives them confidence. What gives your prospects confidence as well is if you're confident first. So again, guys, do it for you and do it for your prospects because it is 100% in need. You need to be confident so you can keep going when times are tough, and you need to be confident so your prospect can trust you and make the right decision to get the help that they need. So again, guys, confidence is two-sided. You know, one side of confidence is for you, and the other side of confidence, the more important side, is for your customer. So if you haven't yet, guys, study confidence. Get clear on the definitions. Get good at speaking with absolute certainty. Get good at knowing that you're the best. You know, and if you can't find confidence, you know, if you can't find certainty, if you don't feel like you're the best right now, then it means you got to sharpen your skills. You know, you're not going to be able to be confident. You can't fake it. Confidence is something you can't fake. Guys, confidence comes from your own abilities. If you're not feeling confident in you, if you don't feel like you can go out there and give it your all and tell people that you're the best in the industry, then your skills aren't good enough yet. You need to invest into your skills. You need to invest into what you know if you want confidence. And again, guys, confidence is extremely important. So if you can't go out there and claim that you're the best, you don't have good enough skills yet. You don't feel confident in you because you're not skilled enough. You haven't practiced enough. So guys, become a master of confidence. And if you feel like you can't just turn that on right now, then you got to start practicing. You got to find a way to get some confidence under your belt. And I promise you, once you do, your closing rate will soar. So again, guys, if you want to move with speed, if you want to close deals, become a master of confidence. And if you don't have confidence right now, then get your skills up. You know, get yourself to a position where you can rely on you. You know, where you're achieving your own goals, where you're taking control of your life, because that's when you're going to be confident. Again, guys, people will buy from you when they believe that you are someone who can help them achieve their goals and take control of their problems. And if you want to do that for somebody else, you got to do that for you first. So again, guys, confidence comes from your own abilities, and you transfer that to your prospects so they can make the right decision. Guys, if your confidence isn't where you want it to be, invest into what you know. Invest into your skills. And if you have confidence and you feel skilled enough, then start using it, because it's a weapon. It's going to do you good, I promise. You can use it for good. You can help more people when you're more confident in what you have. You can get the right product into the right people's hands. But be ethical. You got to make sure the person's the right fit. So again, guys, confidence is a two-sided sword, but it's extremely important in sales. You need confidence. You need certainty. You do it for yourself and you do it for your customer. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.